Hey guys, I think I got the delay down to 10 seconds now, so we're good. Should be good. I don't know what that spike's about, or I don't know what the dip or the spike is about today, this morning. Let me get logged in here. What's everybody think? We're gonna go up or down this morning, out of the gate? Holy moly, that's a crazy wick on NQ. 50 points. Wow. Think down, Doug. I'm not sure. I was thinking just staying right where we're at, just because I was watching the notes. Oh, we're open already. I was watching a little bit of Muay Thai boxing. I wasn't paying attention. We were already open. So are we technically down? How much are we down? Slightly. 0.2%. Not too bad. Yep, exactly. That's what I was looking at. At first, it looked like they were getting larger right in the middle, but here recently in the last 15 minutes, they've started getting smaller up top, gaining some, yeah, some pull on the bottom. Looks like SPY also Qs quite a bit up, yeah, quite a bit up top on SPX as well. Mm. So we're sitting at king or under king. Get king rejection and then downside could be the play. All right. See if we can short this rip.
Order filled.
All right. Alright, that's looking good. 100 ticks to the positive so far. Let me set my stop. Alright, here we go. How far are we gonna go down? Now I gotta set a point where I'm gonna get out. 619, 618, 617. How far are we going down? I'm gonna say 617 is my target for, we'll say 16, 17, 617.50. So another dollar, $1.20 down on Qs for me. We're sitting below the 619. Yeah, come on down. Alright, well, I wasn't that confident. I didn't go in with that many contracts. But still up a couple $100 so far. Yep, you gotta have your system set up, Doug. Maybe put it in. I don't know what platform you're using.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell one more. Got my stop sitting there. 20 ticks in. Bulls are fighting it. We bull for day trading. All right, cool. I have Webull here. I usually use it just to look at the overnight market between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. See what's happening for individual stocks. Well, I'm looking nice. Looking nice. How far I got? 618. We're still up here near 619. Trying to bounce on me. Come on down, come on down. Upside is building, yeah. I see it. Not so much on SPY, but I see it on Qs for sure. A little bit of SPX up at 30 and 35. Alright. Coming on down, bringing on down. $6.17. Yeah, that one just showed up on my screen. Got big enough to push out the other ones. I'm kind of keeping an eye on my SPX though. I don't want that to hit 68.80. We're at 96 now, so.
Order filled.
Alright, I hit my stop. Alright, yeah. Hit my stop. I locked in just a little bit of profit on that bounce. I should have closed it for some profit down below 619. Or more profit, I should say. Alright, we're going to get a rejection here again. 620 or no? I set my velocity time frame. Oh, why do I set it to 5? Okay, so I like to see the average over 5 minutes. 1 minute is too fast. So the 5-minute velocity shows me the rate of change over the last 5 minutes. Do you see it? Do you use it on 1 minute? And does it look better for you on 1 minute? I haven't tried. Okay, got it. Yeah, I've tried 1 minute when it first came out, and I didn't really care for it because it switched too fast. I like the 5 minutes so I can see the rate of change. There's a 10-minute setting too. That's too long for me. I figure 5 minutes, the happy medium. Look at this 68, 75, 70, 60. Look at all these low nodes. That's pretty. That's pretty rough. I mean, they're not high values. They're not high numbers, but their rate of change is. Maybe that's some spreads being sold on this bounce. Lightning bolt. Oh, that's alerts, I believe. Let me see. Oh, hide velocity. So it shuts it off, turns it on. Yep. Rate of change on the nodes. Rate of change for the last 5 minutes. Yeah, I think we're going up now, man. We're going to go up now. I'm going to start legging in here with 5 contracts. MNQ. We're fixing to start running. If we can get past 620. Okay, yeah, I haven't used Legend. I've heard it's pretty good. I've heard from some people on some videos. Fairly easy to trade. I like this 25,600 level to pull back up. Rate of change above is looking really strong. And then it just flashed a bit weaker. Ah, got it. Yeah, I don't like that.
Order
If I
filled.
can't set brackets, stops and profit PTs, then price targets, then yeah, I don't care for that system. All right, we're starting to get some momentum now. Yep, here we go. Rock and roll, boys. VIX just came down quite a bit as well. So, VIX is forward looking 30 days outlook. So it coming down at a high rate, at a steep rate is telling. We're fixing to roll to the upside. At least 621. We're at 620.22. We can get through 621. Yeah, I see some. And then the negative nodes above, that can pull us right on up. We got to get through 21 first. On the Qs. SPX is looking good too. 92 looks good on SPY. Negative nodes 89, 90, 91 can pull through. If we get up in there, that can accelerate it straight on up. So I'm gonna add some more down here. Let's look at where we're at. I'll add on the 19 bounce. 1950 is fine.
Order filled.
All right. The VIX is just the VIX. It's just the normal. Where do I have? Is it up? Can I see? click in here. VIX is the VIX. I just if you right click it and say add it to the pane, or you search for VIX and then you add it as another pane, then you can minimize it and change it to a line graph. But that's the one I'm using. TVC. Who makes VIX? Let me go over here so I can look. VIX. Yeah, TVC, volatility S&P 500. It's index C of D, but that's the one I'm using. Where are we at? 90 on 90 bucks. Silver just hit 90 bucks. That's very nice. If you got some silver. The indicator I'm using on TradingView. I'm not sure which indicator you're talking about, David. Oh, you're talking about the way that it shows the lines from the Trinity mode? Yep. Well, so you'll find it in the Discord. It's in the HeatSeeker frequently asked questions. It's does anyone know how to integrate into their TradingView chart? And it's actually a extension that links with some Pine script. So it's two pieces to put together. All right. I'm fixing to add down here at 619 on my Qs. If we fall much lower than that, I'll switch sides, go short. I think we should bounce here for sure. Yeah, it does look choppy to me as well. Let's grab 3 more down here. Then I'll have 10. Grab 3 more contracts. That'll give me 10 of the MNQ. That way I can leg out on the way up. What do you think about IWM? I mean, I like IWM as well. I haven't looked at it. Today, I used to play IWM a lot, actually. Let me go look at it right now. IWM. I mean, it's just at the King node shows actually IWM's growing to the downside. 267, 266, yeah, is getting bigger. So if you're going to play that, it might be puts on IWM. Because you got you got these negatives stacked. 270, 269, 268. Negatives below that are growing. Yeah. I see the shift going down in IWM. Alright, let me get back to this one. Alright, let's go. Alright, I am in the winner's seat right now. Let's keep this one. Let's set some targets.
Order filled.
Take some profit. Yeah, we haven't moved much yet, right? So 68.80 just showed up. Now the upside doesn't look so positive. Yep, IWM still going down. All right, where are we going? Starting to get some pull to the upside or no? Nothing. It looks, the maps look like crap today. Yeah, it does. I agree. It almost looks like it's trying to be stay pinned, you know? It's not really moving much. $10.01. Okay, got some other trades. I want to say, hey, thanks guys for tuning in. It's better than trading alone, right? So figure I'll share a little ideas, get some new people to the program, to the platform. So always happy to answer questions. Some people might pick up some things they like about different people's trading style. Ask questions as you feel need to. I trade a couple different platforms. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's a good Lucas. Um, couple different trading platforms. I trade on Fidelity, I trade on IBKR, and I trade on Thinkorswim. And right now I'm using Top Step X for a prop firm. Try to run, try to make some money with the prop and learn how to use or stay in the rules. MNQ, learn how to trade the futures a little bit. All right, what do you say? We're going up or down? I think we're going up now. We got growth to the upside again. Or we just gonna run up here and fall again. Looks like we're trying to run. Yeah, actually IWM is bouncing. All right, so it looks like, all right, let's see if we get through 650, 25, 650 on NQ. All right, I'm going call
Order
side.
filled.
I'm going call side. Let's go. I'm long. Okay, okay, cool. Got a buy alert from other indicators. Yeah, I'm liking SPY. I am liking SPY to the upside for sure. And Qs as well. Yes, 692. That would be my target for sure. Through all that negative numbers and then up to the positive, and I would probably say 691, 691, 691.25, right around there. I'd start trimming. 620, 621. Yep, we're going up. Nice and steady. Yeah, and the delay should only be like 10 seconds, like I said. I got that. I think the delay was longer yesterday. I got the delay down to 10 seconds without giving up too much resolution on the screen. It did say that. Let me see what I got here. Okay, got it. What is that position bracket? All right. Let's see what we can do here. Let's get some. Did we just have a shuffle or what? No? No, no shuffle. Here we go. Higher, higher. Let me check my other stuff. Oh, nice. I sold some bull put spreads on futures on ES. They're sitting nice, slowly decaying. Yep, negative gamma stack. Should pull it up. I think the negative nodes pull it straight on up. We've got negative with an air pocket on Qs as well. Yep, 69.15, 69.25. Yeah, looks nice. What kind of contracts you guys got? You guys got near the money or out of the money too far? How are they holding up with the grind to the upside?
Order filled.
I'm gonna add to my winner here on this little dip. Couple more contracts if I can get filled. Oh, can't say. You log in.
Order filled.
Yep, looks like we're going higher, guys. We're rocking out. We're going higher. I'm gonna set my trailing stop now. I'm up about 200 ticks, so let me set a 75 tick trailing stop for 2 contracts, and that'll be sell 2 trailing stop. There we go. I haven't heard of any news. I haven't seen any news on the oh, I got a reversal indicator on here as well. Just flashed a little bit.
Order filled.
Yeah, I left for a little bit. I had to go do something. Don't exit. Just leave it open. Well, we'll see. Why my trades not go? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's on the Qs. I think it's going to be based off of where it came from. It's going to bounce off of these nodes. Let's see what we get now. Yeah, it looks like IWDM did go down more. Yeah, no problem, because all trying to work together. You think a rug pull setting up on Qs? Could be. Continue. Mm, not sure what the setup. It would be negative stacked with positives on top. Yeah, they are lining up for a downside push. Where is a bearish tweet? Hmm. We're gonna come off here the second time, or are we gonna shuffle and go higher? I'm not sure. All right, let's see. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Everything's pointing up still, though. The nodes are growing to the upside on SPX. SPY is still really not changing a lot. Qs are trying to change a bit, but not a lot also. All right, new high day on NQ. Well, what do you say we go higher?
Order filled.
All right, I'll go long. See, I'm up quite a bit anyway. I'll just play a low amount here. See if I can make a little more. All right, push it on up. Gonna continue or reject? Not sure. I say we go up, but it's not going up quickly at all. Taking that sweet time. Mm, that's nice. EOS electric energy. Looks like we got spread ideas. What's this say? $25,880 in DX. Oh, he's got an iron condor. All right, we're pushing through. 69.20, 690, coming up to 690 now. Coming up to 624 now. On the Qs, not looking bad. Here we go. Come on. Sat here about, let's see, a few minutes. Came up to this top twice. Still growing nodes to the upside. Downside has gotten smaller. Still haven't seen the shuffle from. I would figure 687 would shuffle to the upside, but it hasn't. Maybe 690 is the line in the sand for them to shuffle. But we haven't got through 690 yet, so if we can get through 690, we'll see if we get a shuffle to the upside. Because it's all about the market maker. Market maker's algorithm is set to shuffle at a certain price point, certain percentage, or certain deltas. Really, it's not really a price. So wherever the deltas line up, and then the deltas get further away as the day goes on 0 DTE. So there's less time for the price to get to higher or lower, and the deltas start to decay out of the money deltas anyway. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Push through. Anybody sitting on anything? Sitting on some contracts, waiting for it to move. What time is it? 41. Okay. All right, where am I at? I was working on something else. Dang it. All right, I'm still up. What are we doing? Did we shuffle any? No, we're stagnant. Looks like everything's just messy across the board. And yeah, VIX is down at 1558. Yeah, 623 does look like rocket ship. That's why I went long, kind of waiting for it to take off. I know as soon as I close my long and try to go to bed, I'll I'll miss the big move. I'm just sitting here. My entry's at 25,773, and we're sitting at 783. So 10 points, 40 ticks. All right, come on, guys. Come on, let's go. We've been bouncing off this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So 12 minutes so far. I'll zoom this in a little bit. I think I got it zoomed in already a little bit, right? We're right here at the high of day. All right, there we go. Let's push through. Push through, push through. I would like 3, let me get here, 2 here. All right, let's rock. We're into 24. Did we shuffle up yet? No, we had 77 on. 687 on SPY was 77 mil right there. It's now at 71 mil. So those went somewhere.
Order filled.
What? Whoa, nice. That shot up quick, didn't it? All right, cool. Well, I'll close that out. I made 1,000 today on the prop firm. I'll leave that alone. I don't want to get there too fast. Can't be more than half of my profit one day, so I am doing all right. All right, coming into 625 territory. All right, the positive nodes will act as resistance, so you can see that here at 627. Came off of that 635, 630 positive nodes above. Those are sticky spots. Move slow and even deflects off of that 630. So it's the same thing with 626 on Qs. positive node there. 687 on SPY is coming down to 66 now. So it is shrinking. Alright. Pulling up there. Nice. Okay. Just swap places. 690 and 691 just swap places. Alright, now's when we're starting to look. We're growing back down below again. Starting to shift around a little bit. Going higher. Trying to push higher. hit a stop. You guys playing anything here? Or are you guys done? Just watching right now? Watching? Yeah. My silver contracts are up, so that's good. But I've got July 17th contracts for silver. I had some 50s that I forgot about. That was kind of funny. I found them yesterday. $50 contracts. I rolled them out to July from April and up to the $80 contract. So I locked in 20 bucks worth of profit. I just hadn't logged into my Fidelity account in a little while. I forgot I'd bought a couple contracts in another account which I closed too early, but I forgot about these. That's kind of how it works. If you forget about them, you won't micromanage them. And I was like, whoa, I still got contracts over here. They were up 1,000% from $3 and something to 36 bucks. Bought them back whenever it was at $48. I bought the $50 contract. And then I've sold a couple QQQ puts when the market was down. So those are up nicely right now. So where are we going from here? Well, it's about time for me to sign off. I'm going to go to bed and let my automation take over. Got some multiple entry iron condors running on another platform. So I'm gonna let y'all go at it or stay with it, right? Um, and I'm gonna sign off and let you guys finish out the day. Have a good weekend. I'll post the replay. I'll post the replay this evening. Your evening time, my morning time. I'll post the replay when I get up in the morning. And I will see y'all again. I won't see y'all Monday. I gotta travel. Actually, I gotta travel back to the US next week. So I won't be back online until probably Tuesday morning. Not even Tuesday morning. Wednesday morning. Because I don't land in Florida till Tuesday afternoon. So I will see y'all Wednesday again.